Hi guys, it's me, Alison Victoria, and welcome to this month's picks. I absolutely love everything about this collection. We're gonna start with the XRP luxury vinyl floor. This is in the prairie color. It's just a classic walnut feel and look on it, why it's probably my favorite of the XRP collection. So we're starting with our gorgeous floor that has depth and it has texture, and then we're gonna do the same thing with our countertop. So the Taj Mahal in the polished or even the honed. But with the polished, we're going a little more refined. I could see this in my house in Chicago, a real city home. Our cabinets, we're going with the Gracious Home Cappuccino Cherry. The way that this ties back in and marries so beautifully with our flooring, and then breaking up with the Taj Mahal and go with like a more rustic handle. So this one is called the Sandrine. It's in the vintage bronze. You see you can get a little bit of like a rub through on the bronze, so you get a little copper detail coming through. Going back to my city kitchen with the polished countertop, I could go with the Monroe polished nickel. This is so tailored and so, I don't know, sophisticated. So when I go with the more rustic look of this collection and pairing it with the Sandrine hardware, I would do a stainless steel undermount sink and I would do an oil rub bronze faucet. When I'm going back to the more refined but not rustic look in my city kitchen with this collection, so I would go with the polished countertop, the Taj Mahal. I would go with the Monroe hardware, and then I would go with a undermount stainless steel sink, and I would do a polished nickel faucet so it complements the hardware.